Great weekend everyone. Today I'm going to show you two scenarios for Ethereum, how I see bullish and bearish scenarios for moving forward, which is important levels to watch. This is more investment video because this is a monthly time frame. Don't forget to see my video about Ethereum to Bitcoin. There it is, and there is a links for Discord and Telegram group. For those who are new, there is a free education for beginners. So let's dive in. Okay, this is the monthly chart. First, to continue with analysis, you need to understand that if Ethereum does not close monthly below these weeks, the bottom could be confirmed. These weeks are monthly levels, and you can follow on lower time frame how we close the price. Until that happens, there is no need for further discuss, but it is important to have alternative. First option, it's over there. We have two monthly fair value gaps. Below these wicks is huge liquidity. Also, we have 15 monthly moving average, and you have area high across full chart. So first, you need to watch, will we close monthly level below these weeks? If we does, there is huge support. If that support do not hold and we starting closing lower, we can determine according to Elliott theory how long correction might last. In that case, we will view this entire move size Ethereum according the first 5 waves, and now we have ABC correction. In that case, golden zone needs to hold 600, but only if we start to close below 50 moving average on monthly time frame. We have two fair value gaps on monthly time frame. There is Fibonacci level 0.236, area high. Some zones needs to be respected, and we are not bearish right now, but if we take that liquidity, we need to go faster up if this is the first wave. Focus on monthly closing, and will we take support over there.